Let us see how to use daily staff. So here again we have two main components, the salary part where the salary is reflected, which is the daily salary, and it is as calculated for the period of June. And we have the payments where the payments of June will be reflected. So let us start with the attendance. We have all the options from the present, absent, half day, paid holidays. So all that will be reflected likewise according to the number of hours we have. We also have an option of adding overtime with any wages and the number of overtime hour. So that will again be reflected in the salary. We have an option of adding a late fine, and that will again be calculated according to the salary of that person per day. So we can also go to payment section where we have a you paid and you took. So for example, we write an amount of 200 for rent purpose and save. So this is shown in the June payments and reflected in the pending amount. Similarly, we have a took option, any description like repair, an amount of 500 for the date of 30th June, and again it will be reflected. हमारे पास फिर ऑप्शन आता है सैलरी स्लिप्स का, जहां हम फुल स्लिप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और समरी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. And along with that, we can also share this to our WhatsApp contacts. So let us download the same, and this will be downloaded into our files where we can see all the details, all the activities, the attendance summary, and mainly each day. Like here we can see overtime of 1 hour is reflected. Similarly, the late hour fine is also reflected. So this is a small summary of the attendance report. So let us go back and see the next option. We have an overtime option where again if a person has done an overtime on 10th of June, we add the wages and the timing, and which is calculated accordingly. The allowance bonus option where this is the date like the 10th, an amount of 800, an allowance of for any purpose which will be added. We also have an deductions option where for any date any amount can be deducted as a form of ESI, provident fund, or any other, and enter deductions. So we can see all these can be reflected in a salary component. The next is the loan entry where simply we can provide a loan to the person. जैसे हमने एक 5,000 का लोन प्रोवाइड किया है, डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दिया है मैरिज. So this will automatically be reflected and it will be shown in another column जहाँ पे हम amount given और amount cleared दिखा सकते हैं. This loan can be edited as well as deleted. So we can simply make all the payments which will be reflected in the payment section, and we can also add the previous month's salary. Like for example, for the month of May, now we can see here the May month salary has been reflected clearly over here, and our total pendings has changed. We can clear the dues, whatever the amount, and save. So this has again cleared and we are back to the June month salary. So this is how to use daily staff in salary book.